Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Germany was after WW2. Focus first on the immediate consequences and basic structure of occupation and recovery. Learn how cities were rebuilt, how families coped, and how governance changed under Allied control. I will highlight key policies, population movements, and daily survival strategies to give you a clear, human view of post-war Germany. Next, we examine how occupation shaped Germany's political future and daily life under 4 separate administrations. I will describe the legal changes, policing, and administrative shifts that took hold immediately after defeat. You will hear about how Berlin became a focal point, how differing policies produced divergent societies, and how these divisions set the stage for long-term reconstruction and the eventual Cold War split. Quick recommendation and small ad: if this video helps, please subscribe and like to support us. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Try Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent while you study history. It's a tiny comfort after heavy topics, and it keeps your commute pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Then we cover economic recovery and social rebuilding in a human, accessible way. I will explain basic reforms like currency stabilization and foreign aid that revived markets and industry in the West. You'll learn how rationing and rebuilding affected daily routines, how communities rebuilt trust, and how cultural life slowly returned amid shortages. This section ties policy decisions to the real lives of ordinary Germans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.